Hey everybody, welcome back to the latest installment of our 360-degree ride-along road trip series. Today you may have noticed that I'm on the wrong side of the car, driving on the wrong side of the road because I'm in France. So we have rented a car, Citroën C4. I thought I would take the special opportunity to do something a little bit different on this channel and go out on a French road in a French car that I despise. I have not enjoyed driving this thing at all. Citroën C4, it's a 2022, 23, 24 model, I don't know because I can't read French plates, but it's the max trim and it's just not very good. I have not enjoyed driving this car at all. It's comfortable, but handles terribly. It is incredibly wallowy in the corners. It leans at anything more than 15-20 miles an hour going around a corner, and it just does not inspire confidence whatsoever. This is the max trim, so it comes with the 8-speed auto gearbox. It's also the petrol version of it. The car comes with two engines, a diesel and a petrol. There's two versions of the petrol engine, a 99 brake horsepower version and a 128 brake horsepower version. This is the 128 brake horsepower version, which propels it in a glacier-esque speed of about 9 seconds to 60. Paint dries quicker than this thing gets to 60 miles an hour. Because it is a modern car also, everything's dead light on it. It feels really disconnected from your inputs. So I would imagine that driving through city centres and whatever else are small, quaint French villages like this, it's great. It is good, it's nice, it's light, it's nimble, it's low speeds. But if I were to take this on a motorway for a long period of time, I would not be particularly happy with the car. It's not nice to drive. It has decent amenities. It's got good mod cons with it being the max trim, but it's got things on the steering wheel. I've been trying to work out the steering wheel for the entirety of this week. Now, I'm a systems designer in my day job, and I still haven't worked out how this thing bloody works yet. The system is not very intuitive at all, and fundamentally, it's just not my kind of car. It's not made for me, and I understand that. I get that I am not the target market for a car like this. This is very much a city car for families, or maybe for elderly individuals who need something that's easy to drive and that ultimately doesn't really take much involvement to drive. Which, as petrol heads, how rubbish does that sound? Really, right? We want a car that's communicative, it tells us what it's doing, we can feel what's happening in the roads, and ultimately feel involved in the drive that we're doing. And the car just doesn't offer that, and people don't move out the way. Like, driving in France, this is my first experience driving in a foreign country, with the exception I drove in Kos once, but that being a small tiny island was very, very quiet. There wasn't that many cars out on the road or anything like that. Whereas here, it's just every man for themselves. They just don't care. People walk across the road, you've got to literally fucking drive up their arse to try and get past them. And yeah, it's just been a bit of a slog to travel here. But I thought I would give you a very brief, quick run through of this car. I know it's been a short one, but thank you very much for joining us. We will be getting out in something a little bit more exciting. I know I've been promising the Porsche for ages now. There is a video, I'm just in the process of getting it worked out and sorted out, but these things take time. So thank you for joining us on our small French road trip that we've went on today. If you've enjoyed this content or this video today, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help the algorithm put us where we need to be. So thanks for joining. If you have enjoyed yourself, then please leave a comment below and let us know. If you disagree with anything that I've said about this car today, then hit up the comments and tell me I'm wrong. Otherwise, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for joining. Take it easy. Bye-bye.